So today we're gonna be making the most smooth, emotional, versatile ambient R&B beat here in FL Studio today. Man, like I can hear so many artists on this, like Black, Kehlani, Ella Mai, you know, the list goes on. But I just want to forewarn you guys for this video today, man. You know, the melody creation, you're gonna see me go back and forth a little bit. You're gonna see a little bit of a struggle and probably be like, what is he doing? But I promise you, if you stick with me in this one and watch the process, you're gonna be surprised by the end result. So thank you guys so much for all the support, man. It just means so much to me from the bottom of my heart, for real. So let's get to work. So I want this BPM to be even slower, man. Like I want a real just like vibe, you know what I'm saying? So take it down to about 89 for now. All right, so what we're gonna do is get this out of scaler here. So I think Analog Lab's gonna be the vibe today, guys. Oh! Yeah. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Oh, let's go. Let's see where we at. I feel like the sound selection there could be better. So let's find something a little bit better here in vacuum. That might work. Let's control up on it, change that octave. Yeah. Turn crystalline down. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of work on this, y'all. Time to change the key, so I'm gonna go like down 3. I think I'm gonna reverse this. Yeah. All right, we're almost there, y'all. Bear with me, bear with me. Let's get another sound that might be better than this. I'm thinking we need Omni, man. Let's get it in. All right, couple things we need to do. So we're gonna go ahead and take the key. I think we're gonna go back down to, we're gonna be dramatic here. And then sound selection on this Analog Lab. Oh yeah. Let's control up on it though. Yeah. Because, like, man, like, when you're making beats, y'all, sometimes it's really easy to just say, this is trash, I'm gonna leave it. Like, I'm not gonna lie. For the first few minutes, I was just kind of going around trying new things, and I almost wanted to quit. But now I'm to a point where I'm like, all right, this is a vibe. So we're gonna keep rolling with it, man. Just keep going, just keep going. So what are we gonna do? I'm gonna ARP this. And what I'm gonna do, we're gonna grab this Omni, paste it, we're gonna solo it out. And we're gonna take out these little extra notes here. Just gonna cut these back a little bit. And then let's change the mode to down. Yeah. All right, fourth mixer track. We're really gonna make this ARP sound beautiful. Oh. And then let's just clean up our work. All right. Parametric. That's it. Yeah. Let's see where we at. All right, couple things, y'all. So I'm gonna change the pitch again. Let's go minus. Let's be like ridiculous with it. Let's go -3. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna bring in arcade, man, and then we're gonna add some more textures to this, and then we're gonna get to the drums. So yeah, man, it's a process, but I'm having so much fun, man. And by the way, y'all, I'm finally linking with Output. So make sure you guys use my link below, man. It's been a long time coming. So, but you already know, man, I believe in their products. I use them, I haven't been getting paid or anything like that. So, it's coming full circle now. So you get the first month free. So check it out, y'all. That's hard. Maybe we'll play with vocals, man. I haven't messed with Hooked in a while, man. Let's see what we can do, all right? I don't want it to sound like hella generic, but I'm just gonna get up in here and see what I can do, man. So. Yeah. All right, man. Let's bring in some drums, y'all. Man, this is a vibe. So I'm gonna start off with one of my drum loops that I built a while back. I'm gonna turn this loop off for now. I'm gonna modify these snares a little bit more. All right, let's layer that up. All right, it's time for some kicks. For the bass, I think we're just gonna use Sublab for the job. Make something from scratch here, nice and unique. So, let's go ahead and listen to this thing, man. So we got the intro. Got the drum loop. Little pad came in. Vocal chop. Zoom in. Right into the hook. Kept it light. Run that R. Verse. Broke it way down. Very light. We brought in the hi-hat late. Quick little drop up of the snare. Switch up again. Nice breakdown. Got a little bit of bass in there just to give us a little vibe. Then we got the other bass with those perks. Breakdown. Hook. Man. And that's about it, y'all, man. I'm really happy with how this one came out. If you did notice, I forgot to mention in the beginning, with the snares as well, I also switched it up just a little bit. I had some like snare rolls in there, but it just didn't fit the beat. But, you know, it came out pretty good. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. And as always, man, appreciate you guys for your support and always sticking around. And I'll catch you on the next one.